Hi! In front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those locking methods: pattern, PIN, or complex password. Now create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then click Confirm. Now answer this question by tapping on one of the available options. How do you prefer to show notification on the lock screen? I don't want any, so I will go with Don't show notifications at all and tap on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!